Meet DJ Legend. He is a turntable DJ who occasionally practices his craft while at home.
I can't be coming from church and walking straight into this.
Meet Pastor Dixon, landlord for the house DJ Legend occupies.
Hello, tenant. Hello, tenant.
Yes, sir.
Why are you calling down the devil in my place?
Calling down what devil, sir?
You're disturbing the whole community with your rubbish music. I rented the house to live in, not to play music.
Listen, this is my profession. Just like how going to church is your profession, playing music is mine.
Church going is not my profession. I am a man of God. I am a man of peace. I am a man of quietude. I mean no want no loud demon music in my house.
So where we must practice?
You go rent a studio.
Listen, I am paying rent for my house. Me not rent nowhere else.
Correction. You are paying for me house. And me say me no want no loud raga music in my place.
Alright. I'll keep down the music.
No. By the help of God, you will soon be out of here.
All the songs will be a special dedication to the world and its life. We can't take the fuss and fight.
Please to leave my house in 32 days.
Why you give me notice?
You try to figure that out.
You're a fool.
Huh?
You can't run me out of stuff. Cause my rent ever pay. Pastor, I better go to bed and go sleep, you know.
I am going to my bed, you know. But you need to try and find somewhere to go. No, papi off! Papi off! Oh, God.
What can a landlord do if they think that the tenant is disruptive in terms of getting them out of the property? And what can a tenant do to protect themselves? Well, first of all, if it is that you have a written lease agreement, you have to stick to the terms of that. So if it is that you have a term that says that you cannot make excessive noise, the tenant would be in breach, and any breach of the lease agreement, the landlord can give notice to quit to get you out of the property. You as a tenant must also comply with the terms of your lease. If it is that you should not be making excessive noise, do not. And if it is that you have to practice, as in the case of Legend, do it during the daytime hours and not at night, where you would be disrupting other tenants.
Oh, God.
Easy, Mr. Cat, you want it done. Yes, we're going to sting them like a bees and bite them like a scorpion. Anywhere me pass from me and the mic.
Hello?
Yo, Mr. Landlord, I turn off the light.
No. I hang me just hang a dog without putting rope around his neck.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. Ready for me?
For what?
Today is the first of the month.
And?
The rent.
I my breakfast me I eat here, sir.
And what does that have to do with me?
Big man, me not paying rent for you, sir. You turn off the light for me illegally last night and disrespect me and embarrass me.
So you're not paying no rent?
No! And my time to hang a dog.
Then you better start praying. Start praying! Out of order.
I know everybody own house. Got the system of fraud. So the lyrics are goes on. To who are
You're not paying rent until the end of this month.
What if you get notice?
Me already get notice. And me now come out. A pure embarrassment happened last night, my brother. In my migla, my mixtape, the man cut off the light for me.
Who him do that?
I just all the system set up, man. Control for on a theme side of the house. But me now come out, you know. Nah, go so.
Bridget, Bill, you soon go up on here.
The more time I think about it, the more it burn me.
You know, I really think it's time you get out.
Me now come out.
Here's a positive from our sponsor, Tip Friendly Society.
Sometimes when a disagreement is fresh, you may say things you'll regret later. Take a deep breath. Wait a while. Deal with it later. It will make a big difference.
After the break,
Attack me in my own house.
You like me to do and dash my clothes?